Hello everyone. Do you ever step into your room and wish it felt warm, inviting, and cozier? When we spend 1/3 of our lives sleeping, we should consider how to improve the comfort and coziness of our beds. With these design ideas, you can make your room cozy, whether it's winter or spring, and enjoy the view from your pillow every day and night. Don't be terrified of white on white. Surprisingly, white on white might be an excellent starting point for creating a cozy overloaded bedroom. With white walls and white linen, the cozy aspects come from accessories like a chunky knit throw, thick drapes, or toasty cushions. Mix in warm, natural textures and materials. Wood, linen, rattan, wicker, stone, and wool are all warm materials, so use them to make your bedroom seem cozy. How do suede lampshades, wool cushions, and soft brown wicker furniture sound? Include natural elements. Bringing nature indoors is one of the finest ways to create a pleasant, comforting atmosphere in your room. Wooden furniture, wicker baskets, and houseplants all help soften the look of your area. Plants not only bring life into the environment, but they also enhance air quality, which contributes to a general sensation of relaxation. Focus on your bed. Your bed is frequently the focal center of your room, so make it as comfortable as possible. Add layers of bedding, such as soft sheets, a fluffy comforter, and a few toss pillows. Choose high-quality bedding materials such as cotton or linen, which are breathable and gentle on the skin. A bed canopy or draped drapes over the bed can also provide a lovely, intimate atmosphere. Always choose warm lighting. A wonderful design idea for making your bedroom feel warm is to incorporate components of soft lighting, such as lamps. Choose gentle or deep, dark colors for your light shades, but ensure that the bulb itself is not harsh. Soft, warm lighting equals cozy vibes. Paint a feature wall. If white isn't your thing, why not paint the wall at the head of your bed a solid color? Warm colors include reds, browns, and earthy greens. Be imaginative with candles. Make your bedroom pleasant by adding candles, but be creative with them. Normal candles can make a place smell lovely, but artificial candles emit a warm glow, extra cozy, and candles inside glass lanterns are visually appealing. The thicker the curtains, the better. Thick, textured drapes scream warm, but they can also be layered. Consider using netting curtains underneath and thicker, darker drapes on top. This layered design will increase the warmth of the space. Keep it clutter-free. While personalization is vital, so is keeping the room clutter-free. Too much clutter can lead to turmoil and frustration. Keep surfaces, such as nightstands and workstations, clean and organized. Storage baskets and under-bed storage solutions can help you hide goods that you don't need out. Add a soft rug. A velvety rug underfoot may dramatically improve the warmth of a room. Not only does it provide physical warmth, but it also adds texture and helps the room feel more cohesive. Look for rugs made from natural fibers such as wool or jute for enhanced comfort. Use warm window treatments. Curtains are sometimes neglected, yet they have a significant impact on how cozy your room seems. Heavy curtains made of velvet or thick cotton can block off drafts, provide seclusion, and create a luxury, cozy atmosphere. If your room has blinds, layer curtains over them to soften the appearance. Overload of fabrics using a variety of materials may create a cozy atmosphere in your bedroom. Draping a blanket creatively over the back of a chair or adding mix and match throw cushions to furniture or your window seat are simple ways to bring color, texture, and coziness to your space. Stack your favorite books. You should not have technology in your room because it disrupts your sleep, so turn off the electronics and bring in your books. Add a tiny bookshelf to exhibit your hardcovers, or keep a stack of your favorites by your bedside. Make that awkward spot a comfortable one. Do you have an odd spot in your room that you're not sure what to do with? Make it your cozy reading nook. You can add a hanging chair or an oversized armchair, together with a blanket and a little side table, and voila! Cozy feelings. Choose artwork that complements the vibes. Although painting is subjective, consider using calming colors. While reds and oranges are commonly associated with warm colors, they can be disturbing. Instead, choose art and paintings with light blue, green, or gray tones. Fairy lights are not only for youngsters. Fairy lights, like candles and lamps, can provide more romantic lighting in your bedroom. They provide a unique mood that other lights cannot, so consider using them behind a curtain panel or bunched up in a repurposed jar. Complete the look with plants. You might assume that plants don't really represent comfort, yet they can. Plants enhance the natural, earthy, and calming feelings of your bedroom, allowing you to create a serene haven in which to unwind. Something as basic as cacti or a delicate orchid may add vitality to your space while also providing a flash of color. Cover the windows. One of the most common causes of a bedroom not feeling snug and comfy is bare, frigid windows. When opting for cozy, don't skimp on window curtains. Another idea to remember if you have huge windows: do not use curtains with a strong design. When drawn, they should not dominate or detract from the overall balance of the room. Making your place cozier entails incorporating personal touches, soft textures, and warm lighting. With a little work and ingenuity, you can transform any place into a pleasant refuge by adding velvety carpets, warm lighting, and personal memories. Remember that a cozy environment should be both comfortable and reflective of your style. That's it for today. Thanks for watching. Do not forget to subscribe, share, and comment.